Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are making a mask that will make you look 10 years younger. Yes, age will be just a number. This mask is great for the wrinkles, boosts collagen in the skin and gives a plump and hydrated look. So for this mask, we are going to take 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and also we take a cup of water and bring it to a boil. When the water is boiled, what you need to do is put the flax seeds into the water and bring it to a boil. Keep stirring it. Now it is forming a slightly thick consistency, as you can see in the video. Do you know flaxseed also works wonders for the hair? So it's always great to try the organic things instead of the chemicals. There are no side effects. God has created these things for us. Explore the benefits of these things and make use of these things in your daily life. Now, as you can see, it has formed an egg white consistency. So it is done. And now we are going to transfer it to a glass bowl. I'm using the strainer to strain the extract of this. You can also use a cotton cloth. I find it easier to do like this. The gel is getting thicker. So this is the final look of the gel. And now I'm going to transfer it to a glass jar. You got to apply this gel once it's cooled down for 10 minutes on your skin and wash with cold water. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.